Hello guys, this is Sai Krishnan from the trendyblog.net, and in this video let us do a quick unboxing and review of the TinHIFI T2 Plus budget IEM earphones. So these earphones retail at around $60. Link to purchase in the description. So unboxing the pack, you can see we have the earphones showed first, and the packaging is pretty compact and nicely done. So digging up further inside, we have the earphone tips, two pairs of all the sizes. Then we have the memory foam tips. So these tips are really good for sound isolation and good fit. Next up we have the user manual and warranty card. In terms of sound, the sound stage was quite expansive and the lows and mids were good enough, but highs were really excellent on these earphones. So you can see here we have the earphones that are really well built and look quite premium. These earphones have an MMCX connection and they get connected via this cable. The cable looks like chain and is of really good quality. So the earphone gets easily clipped onto the earphones. You can see it's quite easy. So overall the build quality is really nice for $60. These are really good earphones that you should try out if you are looking out for a beginner audiophile earphone. So a detailed article review and the purchase links will be in the description. So guys, make sure to subscribe to our channel. This is Trendy Blog. Check out our blog, which is www.trendyblog.net. So guys, this is Sai Krishnan signing off. We'll catch you guys soon in my next video.